to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that will allow you to make money. So the two platforms or the two accounts that we will need for this method is, the first one is a Pinterest.com account. The second one is an Amazon Associates.com account. So the Amazon Associates account will allow us to get affiliate links for the Amazon.com store or website, and Pinterest.com will help us promote the links that we got from Amazon.com. So basically the idea is we're going to choose a niche and we're going to the search bar and see the viral posts that are available on this niche and try to create similar posts to those viral posts on the niche. So that's the idea, guys. And for this video, I'm just going to copy and paste a post from those posts that already exists in here. But for you, I don't recommend that. I advise you to be creative and create your own post, because Pinterest will deactivate your account if they notice that you are just stealing other people's posts. So let's get into it, guys, and let's see the post that we have in this niche, and let's see if we can find a post that is related to our niche or that is related to a product in our niche. So let's go with fitness products. Fitness products. So here we have a lot of products, as you can see. We have watches. This thing, I don't even know what is this. We have this also, this one, and this one is from Amazon.com. Another one for this. So we have a lot of products. So I'm just going with this one. So I'm just going to choose this one and click on these three dots and download the image. Then I'm going to click on create and create idea pin that will allow you to create your own post. So let's go to the new tab and let's drag this picture and drop it right in here. It's uploading. Then let's add a title. I'm just going to copy and paste. So it doesn't even have a title in here. So I'm just going to choose another post like this one where we have a title. So let's go with this image. So let's change this image. To change the image, you click on that pin and here you click on replace, or we just drag and drop. So let's click on replace and we choose this one and we will be able, so that's it. As you can see, it's replaced. Then we click on done and then we proceed to add in our title. So let's add this title, copy and leave the title right here, and then we go to the description. So we also take this description. As I said in the beginning, guys, make sure to be creative and make all this unique in your post. Make your own description. You can get help from ChatGPT. And then we proceed to add in a link. So you're just going to take the title of the product and type it on our Amazon search, and we will be able to find the same product. So I think this is it. Let's check. No, it's not the same. I think not this one. So basically what I'm going to do is just click on the link that will take us to this exact product. So we accept cookies and then we wait for the product to be shown. So this is the product. So I'm just going to choose this product, click on the text, and you will be able to take the link, your affiliate link, and go to Pinterest, and here you paste your link. And the next step, please guys pay attention to this next step because it's very important. So the tags is what is going to help our post go viral and what is going to help the post to be shown to as much people as possible, not just random people, but the ones that are interested in our category, in our niche. So make sure to choose the exact tags that are related to our niche to get accurate audience. So let's start with fitness as a keyword and let's choose everything that is related to fitness. Fitness motivation, fitness journal, everything that is related to the topic, make sure to select it. And it's unlimited guys, you can choose as much tags as you can choose and it will not show to the audience. You are the only one that is going to see these tags. It's invisible for the audience. Sports also. Sports. Let's go back to fitness keyword. Let's see if we can find. Let's go with the grip straps. We can't find grip. So let's see if we can find grip stripes. So I think we don't have them in the tags. No problem. So I think you get the idea guys. You just choose as much tags as you can and then you check your post for the last time. You check the title, description, your picture if it's in good resolution, and your link. Then you check tags and see if you forgot anything. Then you hit publish and your post will be created in seconds. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop the question in the comment section down below.